Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Crypto. Many of you may be wondering how you can trade cryptocurrency into fiat money or simply withdrawing into your bank account. For that, I have a solution that I will be presenting today using a platform named Tokero.com. Basically, this is an exchange that allows people to deposit and withdraw crypto or fiat money. So, without further ado, let's get started. But first, you have to create an account on the platform. So after you create an account, you'll be having a register button. You create an account and then you go to the dashboard section. Let's take a look at the account dashboard. So here we can validate our identity and our banking account. So basically what you need to do here is upload statements of proof of address, your national ID and bank statement. So in order to get past the KYC, you can enable the two-factor authentication and you can check your password. After that, you can just move to deposit. Let's say if you want to make a deposit after you get past KYC, you can go and hit the deposit. Here we have the deposit section where we can deposit funds. Currently, we can deposit euros, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Aeron, but I recommend using Aeron because it has the smallest fees, transaction fees, and they get confirmed pretty fast. After you deposit it, you can go to the exchange part. Here we have the exchange bar. You can take a look here that we have a couple of cryptocurrencies to use. And let's say if you deposit the Aeron, you can just go ahead and press sell. So you go on sell and you sell the amount of Aeron. Now, after you sold Aeron, for example, and you got fiat money, let's say you got euros, you can go to this section, which is withdraw euros. And in here you have the withdraw section where you can enter your bank account, destination bank account. As I said, you enter your Revolut account. As you see in the tutorial, I'll have into the description. So you basically enter the account that starts with LT and the rest of the numbers, and you choose the amount you want to transfer and you execute your withdrawal. You'll be getting a confirmation email onto your email. You can see if you do not want to withdraw into Revolut, let's say you don't have a Revolut account, you can use other bank accounts, but on other bank accounts, the transaction may take up to 2 or 3 banking days. It depends on the bank and depends on the country you are. And yeah, that's pretty much all. For any other questions, just make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you.